Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you and explain how you can create bulleted or numbered lists for text boxes on your sites, on Google Sites in 2026. So let us get started. So let me navigate to this website project and let us head over to, let's say, the subpage of that homepage, just for the sake of this tutorial. So let me add a new text box. To do that, select Insert here on the right panel. And after that, scroll through your page to find a location or a place. And after that, select text box here. And after that, move your text box here along your page. Let me move it to the very bottom, just above the footer. There you go. Now, if you click into the text box, guys, you will be given the opportunity to add text to it. So go with an example here. And now, all you need to do, guys, is simply highlight the text and convert it into a bulleted list or a numbered list. To do that, select either of these here from that text customization or formatting menu. Let us go with a bulleted list. That is going to add the first bullet point. Now, if you'd like to add a second one, simply press enter. And that's it. Let me add text again. And that's it. Now, if you'd like to, for example, create a sub point here, simply press tab on your keyboard, and again, if you'd like to move that sub point here or a bulleted point further to the right, and that's it, guys. That's how it works. And there you go. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.